wow, look at this house. Nice. Oh, yeah. Build it and they will come. Oh, he's got a broken wing. Aw. Is that a pet duck of theirs? Yeah. You know what? I just got so mesmerized by this view. I didn't even.
It was worth it, yeah, because it's our vacation, right?
Right.
So when we're not traveling, we're still on vacation.
All right, so where are we pulling up to now, buddy?
We're pulling up to a front yard pond that
nice.
we didn't build it originally, we just rebuilt it, going to redo it again next year. We just did
Make it bigger or something?
yeah, improving on the filtration. We just did a $5,800 clean out that took
What?
4.5 days.
It was an overgrown pond or something?
Yeah.
Is it a concrete pond?
No, it's a liner pond.
So someone else built it?
Originally, yes.
Oh, wow, look at this house. Get me out of here. Nice. Oh, yeah. Beautiful. I like this house. How could you not want a front yard water feature that you have to walk over a bridge to get to? Wow, this is cool, Cliff. I hear some ducks. Oh yeah, there they are. See the ducks over there? Looks pretty good. Build it and they will come. What's up, buddy? It's an interesting looking duck. Oh, he's got a broken wing. Aw. It's okay. Nice. Good. Aw. Oh, he's got a broken wing. Is that a pet duck of theirs?
It's an exotic duck.
Oh, hello.
He's the real pond guy.
Oh,
I mean, I'm.
Larry?
He is.
Yeah.
Hi,
Jerry.
pond guy Greg. Nice to meet you.
Nice to
What a
meet you.
beautiful home.
Oh, thanks.
So tell me about the ducks. It looks like he's got a broken wing.
Well, yeah, her mate. We
Okay.
lost about 2 weeks ago.
How long did you have them?
About 2 years.
Okay.
Coyote got him or so.
Yeah.
And then the other two are basically just came in 2 days
They
ago.
just appeared.
We always have that.
Yeah, they come and go.
They come and go, and they usually they lay their eggs and they have a little
Chicks
flock
for a few weeks or months, and then they
move on.
move on.
It's nature.
So you've had this pond for a long time?
Yeah, we've been here 30 years, so we've the pond was here when we got here, but
Oh, wow.
we reconfigured it twice.
Okay. right, this has been an absolute blast, and I can tell you right now, I can see where this house is pointed. The views in this place are going to be insane and incredible. It's been awesome visiting with Cliff and his customers. Look at these little guys. How cool is that?
We were timing it here for you.
Oh, look at that big puppy. But just going around town in your little cruising machine.
I'm Malia.
Hi.
And I'm Rosanna.
I'm the pond guy,
This
Greg,
is-
from
Pond
Chicago.
guy.
Hi.
Nice to meet
And who's this
you.
guy?
That's Sleepy.
That's Sleepy.
Sleepy.
Yeah, he knows Cliff really well. Let me just park it.
Think positive. See that?
All right, ready?
I like your license plate.
Yeah, I'm Rosanna. Nice to meet you. Hi, Cliff.
Hello there,
How are
buddy.
ya?
Big ass.
Nice to see you.
What a beautiful view.
What?
No.
Come on in.
Yeah. Okay, come on, check this view out. Wow. Not bad.
You guys are here from Chicago?
Yeah, there's a foot of snow on the ground right now.
Oh, well, that sounds pretty beautiful, too.
It is. And then I get to come to beautiful places like this, meet cool people, and see ponds. I love it. You know what? I just got so mesmerized by this view. I didn't even.
That allowed.
Okay, so explain this to me. So you have three other houses. You have a pond each one?
We have a house in Pacific Palisades. That's the first place you built a
Yeah.
pond for us.
Well,
and then Cliff did this.
Uh-huh.
Oh, Newport Coast. I forgot about that. That's still there.
Yeah.
And
So-
then Palm Springs.
So what do you like so much about the water features?
Well, there's an excellent energy with it. It's good feng shui. It's just very peaceful and
And you and your husband are equally yoked in this regard?
yes. Well, he takes care of the fish though. That's his
He
job.
loves the fish.
That's his
And
job.
you just love the energy of a water feature.
Yeah, I mean, it's really, if you go sit down there for
Yeah, you
5
can hear
minutes.
it.
So we have this, and then we have that. Well, you can't really see that right now, but it's,
Well, I can that's Emerald Bay.
Yeah,
This is incredible.
it
So-
really, it is. We agree.
Two years you said this pond's been in?
Hello, Vicky.
Hey, Pop. What's his name?
Toby.
Toby.
Vicky, this is Greg Winstock, the pond guy.
Hi, how you doing? Thanks for having us over. Aw, hey, buddy. Oh, what a beautiful home. Wow, I love it. You just open right up to the back. Oh, what a nice living space. You got a pondless waterfall.
With a fire pit built.
Oh, that's cool. You connected to their fire line, or their gas line? This is gorgeous. So you love it? Wow, so you got the fire right next to the waterfalls. Right next to the seat. All right, what's for lunch? What do people say when they see this backyard?
So surprised because it's about 180 degrees from all the other
Backyard.
backyards
Yep,
in the
yep.
neighborhood.
Yeah, I bet you a lot of people ask you how much maintenance this is, right?
Yeah, they're afraid of it, but
Yeah.
there isn't any.
Virtually no maintenance.
No.
And yet people look at this and they think that's high maintenance.
Yeah. Even the plants are all low maintenance.
It's all water-wise, California-friendly plants.
Yeah.
What are these beautiful yellow flowers, yellow and orange?
Lotus.
What?
It's a lotus. It's not water lotus. This is a very drought-tolerant plant.
I love the outdoor living space here.
We actually are out here more than we are in the house for the most part.
Because why wouldn't you want to be out here? You're in California.
It's the best spot. Oh, this chair is the best spot for the whole view.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll take your recommendation.
And then in the evening, we like those chairs over there because the whole waterfall's sort of lit and you can really see it. It's really pretty. So yeah, so people are either like scared of the maintenance or they're like, oh, I want one.
What was this? What was this one sell for?
This one was about 12.
I don't remember, honestly.
But whatever it was worth it.
It was worth it, yeah, because it's our vacation, right?
Right.
So when we're not traveling, we're still on vacation. Yeah.
Well, I love your outdoor living space. I love your home. So this is actually your second water feature?
Yes, that Cliff built. So
Okay.
the first one was at our old house in Laguna Niguel, and it was completely different, and we just loved it so much that there wasn't really a question when we
Moved.
downsized and moved here that we were going to have something similar.
Yes.
Because we liked hanging around it.
Yeah, the lifestyle that a water feature creates.
Yeah.
This,
So when we bought this house, we actually looked for the backyard that it would fit.
yes,
Yeah.
that's good. That's
Yeah.
good. Well, thank you for your hospitality. This has been
Oh,
a
no worries.
blast.
Yeah.
So here we are in a retirement community. This is their second home, and of course they said, I loved it. We actually chose the house because of the yard. So that's really cool. And of course, this is living the aquascape lifestyles. It doesn't stop when you retire. In fact, it only increases because you have more time to spend out there. They said they spend more time outside than they do inside. I love to hear that. Hey, if you like this, hit the like button and subscribe, and every day we'll bring you a new water feature. And we're done. How about it, buddy?
We made it through the day.
Was that a fun day?
I
or
made
what?
it through the day
What do
with
you mean you made it
Greg.
through the
I
day?
never thought it would happen.
Hey, let's go have some good Italian cooking. Hey, and if you like what you see, hit the like button, subscribe, and come along for Italian dinners. Love it.